In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off auto-renew or cancel renewal for a product in GoDaddy. If you want to stop a domain, hosting plan, or another product from renewing automatically, the process is pretty straightforward. I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly what to expect on each screen. First, sign into your GoDaddy account. Once you're logged in, go to the top area of the page and click on your account name. From the menu that appears, choose Renewals and Billing. This is the section where GoDaddy lists products connected to your account and lets you manage how they renew. After you're in Renewals and Billing, look through the list and find the domain or hosting product you want to update. When you see the correct item, select the checkbox next to it. Take a moment here to make sure you're choosing the right product, especially if you manage multiple domains or services in the same account. It's a good idea to double-check the product name and any visible expiration details before moving on. Next, click Cancel Renewal. In some cases, you may see an option that says Turn Auto Renew Off instead. Either option is intended to stop future automatic billing for that specific product. The wording can vary depending on what type of service you're managing, but the goal is the same: preventing the item from renewing automatically at the next billing date. Once you select that option, GoDaddy may guide you through a short confirmation flow. This can include a survey, a feedback prompt, or a confirmation page asking you to verify your choice. Go ahead and complete those steps until the change is finalized. Read each screen carefully so you don't accidentally leave the renewal active. Usually, the final confirmation will make it clear that auto-renew has been turned off or that the renewal has been canceled. As a helpful tip, after finishing the process, stay on the page for a moment and verify the updated renewal status. You want to make sure the setting actually changed before you leave your account. If the product still appears to be set to renew automatically, repeat the confirmation steps and check again. And that's it. Once completed, the product will remain active until the end of its current term, but it should no longer renew automatically going forward.